Just like animal, they have got activity. Just like a dog you have seen in the beach and other places, running very swiftly here and there. But there is no meaning. A monkey is very active. You have not seen monkey in your country, in our country. They are unnecessarily creating disturbance. But they are very active. But human being, they are not so active, but they have got brain. They are working with brain. So, foolish activity has no meaning. Without brain, simply active, that is dangerous. Sober activity is required. Just like a high court judge, he is very lump sum money, but he is sitting on his chair and simply thinking. The others may think that we are working so hard, we are not getting so big salary, and this man is getting so big salary. He is sitting only. Because foolish activity has no value. It is dangerous. So this modern world, they are very active, but they are foolishly active in the ignorance and passion, rajastama. Therefore there is confusion, activity. Foolish activity, there is accident. Sober activity required. Because just unless you come to the platform of fire, you cannot utilize the material things. Fire is required. Similarly, make your life successful. There is gradual evolution from aquatics to plant life to insect life to reptiles to birds life, then beast life, then human life, then civilized life. In this way, gradually, evolution, we come to the platform of human life. And the Vedic knowledge is meant for the human being, not for these other animals. The example is just like if you want to have your work done, then fire is required. The wood is also another stage of fire. The smoke is also another stage of fire. But as fire is necessity, similarly, to come to the platform of goodness, that is necessity, especially in this human form of life. In other forms of life, they are mostly in the ignorance, just like the earth. The earth has got potency to produce wood, trees and plants, but there are some earth and plot of land, it is not producing anything, desert. It has got the potency. If you pour water, it has got the potency to produce. Similarly, the mode of ignorance, those living entities, those who are in the mode of ignorance, they cannot have any knowledge of the absolute truth. Or it is gradual evolution from mode of ignorance to mode of passion. In passion there is little activity. In this way, gradually, evolution, we come to the platform of human life. And the Vedic knowledge is meant for the human being, not for these other animals.